There is a quiet question most people are afraid to ask out loud. Why does life break us before it builds us? Why do we lose something precious before we understand its value? Why does pain arrive before wisdom? To understand this, let me tell you a story. There once lived a young woman named Mira. She believed strength meant never falling apart. She believed strong people never cried, never asked for help, never stopped. So whenever life hurt her, she swallowed the pain and smiled. Until one day, life didn't just hurt her, it shattered her. She lost her job. A relationship she trusted ended without explanation, and the future she had carefully planned disappeared overnight. Mira felt broken, not wounded, broken. She began to ask the universe a question filled with anger and exhaustion. Why are you doing this to me? One evening, exhausted and empty, Mira wandered into an old pottery workshop. An elderly potter was working quietly at his wheel. His hands moved gently but with purpose. Mira watched him take a lump of clay and press it down. Hard, he pushed, pulled, twisted. The clay collapsed again and again. Unable to stay silent, Mira finally asked, "Why are you being so rough with it? Aren't you afraid you'll ruin it?" The potter smiled. He said, "If I don't break it, it will never become what it's meant to be." He continued shaping the clay, then placed it inside a blazing hot furnace. Mira gasped, "Now you're destroying it." The potter shook his head. "The fire doesn't destroy the clay," he said softly. "It strengthens it." Later, he took the hardened pot and struck it lightly. It rang, clear, strong. He said, "That sound is the sound of something that survived pressure, fire, and fear." Mira felt something shift inside her. She realized something painful and beautiful. Life wasn't breaking her to punish her. It was shaping her to prepare her. Her losses were not endings, they were reshaping. Her pain was not weakness, it was heat. So if life feels unbearably heavy right now, if you feel cracked, lost, or unfinished, remember this: you are not broken, you are being shaped. And when the fire passes, what remains will be stronger than anything you were before.